Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Hydradermabrasion Facial Water Peel SPA facial skincare device, the Elitzia ETSPA18. This is a skincare tool designed to combine deep cleansing with hydration, promising to improve skin appearance and provide a refreshed, glowing complexion. So how well does it really work? Let's break it down. The Elitzia ETSPA18 is a hydradermabrasion device that uses a specially designed spiral tip to deliver microbubbles to the skin. These microbubbles are designed to gently exfoliate the skin while simultaneously hydrating it. The idea is to provide deep cleansing while infusing the skin with water, oxygen, and nourishing ingredients to enhance overall skin health and brightness. In terms of features, this device works through a process known as wet microdermabrasion, where it uses water and oxygen to hydrate the skin while removing impurities. The result? Smoother, more radiant skin with a reduced appearance of pores and imperfections. The device doesn't come with a trolley, so you'll need to choose one that suits your needs based on how you plan to use it. After using the ETSPA18, I've found that it's fairly simple to incorporate into your routine, especially if you're already familiar with facial devices. The device is lightweight, and the ergonomic handle makes it easy to maneuver around the face, particularly around the forehead, nose, and chin. It's gentle enough for daily use, but powerful enough to remove dirt and dead skin cells, leaving your face feeling fresh and smooth. Now let's talk about the experience. The first thing I noticed when using the device is how comfortable it feels on the skin. It doesn't cause any irritation or discomfort, even on more sensitive areas like the cheeks or around the eyes. The microbubbles create a gentle yet effective cleansing sensation, which makes it feel like you're getting a professional spa treatment at home. While using it, the skin feels hydrated but not overly wet, making it a nice balance of moisture and exfoliation. However, there are a few things to consider. First, while the device works as expected for deep cleaning and brightening, the lack of a complete set with a trolley might be a deal breaker for some, especially those who want a fully integrated system. Additionally, the water tank needs to be refilled after every few uses, which can be a bit tedious if you're looking for a more hands-off approach. On the plus side, this device can definitely enhance skin texture and clarity. It offers a noticeable improvement in smoothness and an overall glow, which is something many users expect from a facial treatment device. But if you're expecting major results like heavy-duty skin correction, you might want to manage expectations a little. When it comes to value for money, it's worth considering whether the price is justified by the benefits. At its price point, you're getting a solid hydradermabrasion device, but there are similar products on the market at a lower cost. If you're mainly after hydration and mild exfoliation, this device does the job, but there are other options out there that may offer more comprehensive features at a lower price. In terms of durability and build quality, the Elitzia ETSPA18 seems well constructed, though it's worth noting that the packaging and accessories are minimal. If you're planning on using the device frequently, consider how you'll manage the water refills and whether you want to invest in a trolley for added convenience. I didn't need to contact customer support directly, but from the research I did, Elitzia seems to have a reputation for good customer service, and they provide helpful information online for troubleshooting. As for alternatives, there are several other hydradermabrasion devices at different price points. Some offer additional features like built-in suction adjustments or more versatile tip attachments, so it might be worth looking around if you're seeking something with a bit more customization. So, does the Elitzia ETSPA18 live up to its claims? In terms of providing deep cleansing and brightening, yes, it does a great job. It's perfect for those looking to boost skin hydration and appearance with a simple-to-use, non-invasive device. However, if you're looking for something more all-encompassing or with more advanced features, you may want to consider alternatives. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this device, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.